Friends, happy Republic Day. Today, after 70 years of our constitution being created, we are here celebrating this momentous moment. Today, we have one more reason to celebrate, and that is your company Modicare is today the fastest growing company in the world. Many people are finding the dream come true. Hundreds of thousands of people are joining us, and we believe that our principles are very much like the Constitution, which is all for Indians, all for Hindustan. And my hope is that this year we make the difference in more people's lives than the years gone by. So let's celebrate India, let's celebrate Modicare, and let's truly make Made in Modicare a reality. And I'm hoping that together we will change India. Jai Hind.